Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is John at SHTF Hunter. I don't know how long y'all been. I know I got some new subscribers, and I want to make this video, and it's more than anything, it's about my thoughts on water containers and what I think people should be using, you know, for long-term durability. Now, being a soldier, and I ain't got no plastic canteens to represent other than this one, but I got, you know, lots of the old green plastic army canteens. But what I was going to say, being a soldier, I got quite a few Camelbacks, but being a soldier, I've seen where plastic water containers fail. I've seen Camelbacks fail. I've seen even the plastic canteens fail. I actually had one bust inside of a duffel bag one time because all the weight came down on the canteen. It had water in it, and it, you know, broke and went all over my gear, my duffel bag. So, you know, I ain't say you can get rid of your Camelbacks or your plastic canteens, but you know, you may want to start veering away from them. This is a old Walmart one. It still works. I had to do some this old strap from a camera case I put on there, so I'm not getting rid of them. I'm just, you know, they're just taking a back seat. This is an old World War II canteen. Some World War II canteens are stainless steel, and others are aluminum. But at some point in time during World War II, they stopped using aluminum and started using stainless steel because all the aluminum had to go toward aircraft. So I got a couple of them. You know, that's a cheap option. It's like, I think they're about $12 a piece on the internet or something like that. The old World War II GI canteens. But I'm gonna pan you over here. This video is also about some future projects I got coming up. Now, this is kind of cool, and I wish I'd included it in my Walmart giveaway bob, but and I didn't know about it. But the Ozark Trail canteen cup you get at Walmart, it costs like $5, and the 36-ounce vacuum insulated stainless steel water bottle costs about $10. So that's like a $15 canteen cup, stainless steel. Now you're not supposed to boil. This is vacuum insulated on the inside, but you're not supposed to boil it. But you know, this fits super tight together. And in the future, I may do like a get home bag. This is the same Walmart bag I had in the giveaway. I liked it, but so you can just stick this canteen cup down in the side, and you got there's your canteen cup. Like I say, it fits super tight. In the giveaway bob, I wish I'd have included this bottle instead of that plastic one. You actually can't really you know, boil either one, but anyway, this bob here is I may try to make it like the ultimate Walmart bob, and we'll do reviews on it later on. But so we're gonna pan you over a little more. Okay, over here you got some of my later finds. I think it's 64-ounce clean canteen. This is a 40-ounce clean canteen, and I actually got this idea from James Yeager. This is like an Orca carrier, and I don't know if it's look like a knockoff of a Maxpedition. I see a Maxpedition just like this. This is like $25. It was either on Amazon or eBay, but I think this really is probably the ultimate kit. And when I get finished with it, I'm going to do a full review of this kit. Now, this is going to be a pricey kit when I get finished with all the gear inside. But the reason I got this here, it's a live straw water bottle adapter set, and you can get this at Walmart. This ain't cheap either. It's like $30. But I got it on my 40-ounce. So like I can just put water in it, and you know, just start drinking it, and it filters out the bad stuff. And it's a 40-ounce clean canteen. So you can, if you need to, you can take all this out and boil it. But it's also sitting in another Ozark Trail canteen cup, but it doesn't fit as tight as the 36-ounce Ozark Trail bottle fits in it, but you know, it's awesome. So I got 2 containers I can actually boil water in, the canteen and the canteen cup. But like I say, when I get done with this kit, you know, it's going to be a little pricey right now. I got the, let's see, what is that? The SOG Ace knife on the clip to the side. I got to put some other stuff in it. I got a big contractor bag in it right now. I think I got a flashlight in it, but I want to include some of the survivor cord and also the Exotac lighter and a few more things. So that's what I got. That's a future kit. Like I say, I'm going to do a full review of it and a full review of the Ultimate Walmart ball when I get finished with it. But so that's a few things I got going on. These live straw filter bottle adapters, it's compatible with, I guess, the Camelback, Nalgene, and the Clean Canteens. Something called Hydro Flask. It's not compatible with the Ozark Trail water bottle. It's not compatible with that. But anyway, the Clean Canteens are just, the ones I have are single wall, so I can boil water in them. This is actually the one James Yeager had, the 64-ounce down in his Orca carrier. Now this would fit, this filter, the live straw filter would fit on either one of them. This bottle is a very tight fit in here, and if I put that in there, I can't use the cup, so I decided to go with the 40-ounce. And alright, so this is John at SHTF Hunter. I thought I'd give you a little something to think about. You know, maybe in the future, maybe you can veer towards stainless steel or metal canteen water containers. And I'm out.